Assalamu alaikum everyone, so welcome back. And Bonk here this time around. What is it doing, what it's not doing? I think that 1890 is a stop loss that probably is still pending for so many people, and you haven't really taken out the stop loss, to be honest, because you had the wick but you ended up coming down, but you never took the stop loss whatsoever. Now the next thing is that you made this fake out, right? You kind of made what I'm trying to say here is there's this support and resistance video that I made some few days ago, and you had your resistance here, and then you went to the downside. You broke above it, you came down for the retest, and you have the candles that actually acted as if they got retested. Okay, they kind of got retested, and then from there you invalidated and then you went to the downside. Can this also be another manipulation? And what I'm talking about is, yeah, you're kind of showing that yes, I'm coming down, but all of a sudden today you see a candle coming back up to 2806 and closing up here, and then all of a sudden moving back up. I mean, make a fake out to the downside and then move to the upside. There's a chance that this particular scenario can actually happen. And another thing is the 4-hour time frame. I'm actually trying to see what's going on here, and let's set in a support and resistance right now, because this is where you are struggling with bonk at the moment. So positive signs, I mean, the chances of actually coming up here like this is going to be as follows. There are some few things I'm going to talk about on the 4-hour time frame which are quite important. Number one, some people may say you are making a bear flag. Fair enough, okay? That actually does look like a bear flag. It's actually fair to say so. And if you pop down and you start to move down, then you're looking for 1552, right? Another thing is, again, for bonk to go down there, again, you still need to take out 1890 and then you go down to 1550, right? So that means that you come down, you make a bear flag here, you take that stop loss, you open up the window to go down there. Another thing is, now that you're having that resistance up here, the first positive that may happen is if you do end up breaking above this channel itself and retesting. And when you retest, you try to come up, this is going to be very good sign number one. Number two is if you end up pumping up and then making it up to 2583 and holding above here, you may actually print this left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, and then pump back up again to 3772 in the future. But I'm telling you, this has to happen, that you break above, you come to 2582, stay above 2500. Then I think it's a very solid setup to actually start to move back up again. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.